Good evening. Thanks for joining us. Looking at the watch warning map, we have flood watches for a good portion of the state, mainly to the west and the northwest. Flash flood warning here in McKinley County and down in Luna till about 7 p.m. Let's look at the radar. A lot of activity, most of it to the western side of the state, eastern part of New Mexico getting a little bit of a break. To the south we go. We see some really strong storms to the south of Deming and then also southeast of Las Cruces. So some activity on I-25. If you are traveling, definitely be careful. And then another storm I'm keeping an eye on is making its way right into Socorro. It's kind of about to cross I-25 here. So some pretty heavy rain and lightning associated with this one. So definitely keep that in mind. If you're outdoors, you want to probably take some shelter because we could have some deadly lightning associated with these storms. And then also we were mentioning McKinley County, some strong storms near Gallup. Outside of Gallup, we had some law enforcement reports of some minor flooding over a bridge. So let's keep that in mind out on the roadways. Here in the metro, we're quiet right now for the most part. We do have some storms brewing over in the East Mountains. We can see some activity tonight. We had some storms earlier. Taking a look at some of the rain totals that we've had so far, not too bad. We picked up a decent amount. Mainly in the northeastern part of Albuquerque, almost an inch. Gallup, you got close to an inch and under a half inch for Chama and Farmington. But we're not done yet. We got plenty of storms to work with as we head into the weekend. We can see the high pressure situated over by Texas, kind of keeping the storms away from the southeastern part of the state. Most of the activity has been on the western and northwestern side of New Mexico. So we'll continue with that trend as we head into the next 48 hours. So monsoon surge is going to continue to fire storms off. We see them kind of hanging out on the western side of the state. Because of that high, we're keeping it kind of quiet on the eastern side of the state. We are going to have flooding concerns as we step into tonight and tomorrow, so we'll keep an eye on the sky and keep you posted on any of that, those possibilities. As far as temperatures right now, 79 degrees in Albuquerque, east winds at 12 miles per hour. The relative humidity is 56%. You can really see the difference in the storms and cloud cover, keeping us really cool on the western side of the state. We're talking 78 in Grants and then pretty piping hot still over in the southeast. 91 in Roswell, 89 in Clovis, and we got some hot days coming up ahead for you guys. Our storm track shows storms continuing along the western, northwestern side of the state. Tomorrow afternoon we have another shot at it, and we'll start to see things kind of clearing up as we head into Monday, but we're going to hang on to some storm chances. Let's do the numbers around the house right now. We're looking at a high of 87 in Farmington tomorrow, 79 in Gallup, 81 in Grants. PM storms are on the table for a lot of us. 90, and we'll get to 95 by the middle of the week in Farmington. Southwest New Mexico, not too bad temperature-wise, but you're going to have some rain for you tomorrow, heavy at times. We'll keep an eye out on flooding for you. Southeast New Mexico, mostly dry, but boy, is it hot. 97 in Roswell, same story in Artesia, flirting with the hundreds in Carlsbad. 7-day forecast shows us turning up the heat for Monday and Tuesday, 99 degrees, 96 on Wednesday, and northeast New Mexico. We could see some activity, especially along the mountains, 81 in Mora, 83 Las Vegas, a little warmer as you get to the state line there. We're looking at 95 degrees for some of us. And in the northern mountains, 90 in Espanola, 83 in Santa Fe. Storms today, we'll do it again tomorrow. 7-day forecast in Santa Fe shows a high of 83 tomorrow, 85 on Monday. We'll get near 90 by the middle of the week. East Mountains, busy day today. We'll do it again as we get into Sunday. 83 in Mountain Air, 84 in Moriarty. And right here in the metro, we're looking at a high of 86 tomorrow. We have some chances for some scattered storms tomorrow, and those will hang on into Monday. We'll start to clear up for the middle of the week. Tim?